Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we will create clean curved dividers for website UI using stroke path. Start with the pen tool and draw a simple clean curve. Then select the brush tool and choose a thin hard brush. Reduce brush spacing for a sharp professional line. Then switch the pen tool and right click the path. Select stroke path and choose brush. You will instantly get a crisp UI divider line. Duplicate the line and add a shadow for depth, and also apply color overlay for matching brand colors. Lower opacity to make the divider subtle. Repeat this process to create multiple dividers. This method keeps your UI layer